So you wanna learn how to use Blender 3D, but you don't know how to move a single. You can download Blender on their website or in Steam Store if you have Steam account. I do recommend using a standard keyboard with 104 keys. After installing Blender, open Blender and you will be greeted by a splash screen. Click General or just click Outside. Now I'll be teaching you about the essential controls in Blender. To get started, let's use our mouse and keyboard to control the view. By holding the middle button of your mouse, you should be able to move your 3D viewport. And if you're using a laptop without mouse, you can simply use two fingers on your touchpad. Next, by holding left shift and middle mouse button, you should be able to drag move your 3D viewport. There's also another way to control the view if you're using the standard keyboard. You should be able to use the numbers on the right side by pressing the following. Pressing 4 will rotate the view in the left side. Pressing 6 will rotate the view in the right side. Pressing 8 will rotate the view to the top. And pressing 2 will rotate the view to the bottom. Next, we'll be using the orthographic view shortcuts by pressing the following. Pressing 1 will take you to the front orthographic. Pressing 3 will take you to the right orthographic. And pressing 7 will take you to the top orthographic. By using control button and the corresponding numbers, you should be able to navigate the opposite of each orthographic. You may also use 4, 6, 8, and 2 to control the orthographic view. If you wish to exit the orthographic view, just press 5. Or move the viewport using your mouse. Congratulations! You're now able to move your 3D viewport.